So I started to feel been 2 whole months without a cold, and here I am again. This time a nice, lovely spring showers nose cold. Achoo! Achoo! Yesterday woke up with it. Got an itchy throat, and now it's in my usual the nose. The nose. Cannot believe it. 2 months, and it really is this deviated septum. This almost could tell it was coming on, and I've been working a lot lately, and that's usually the sign. I start to feel a little bit lousy. Last week it was an allergy thing, and, this nose, and sneezing. Just sitting. Achoo! Oh, that felt good. Achoo! Achoo! I'm gonna feel a big sneeze. Oh, come on. Achoo! Oh. Oh. Good God. Cannot believe. Another cold in the nose. Oh. Oh God. God, that was terrible. You could only see this.